The following tutorial goes over how you can create an assignment and update the gradebook settings so that it displays in the gradebook and future rubrics. So the first thing that we want to do is click on our demo course. From here, click on the assignments link. Now we're going to click on the plus assignment button. We want to create this assignment name as Week 1 Summary. Input the description for your assignment. Select the points. Assignment group, put under Week 1. Display grade as points. And then we are going to make this submission type an online and allow for text entry and file uploads. For allowed attempts, we're going to put unlimited. And then here we have some other options, such as making it a group assignment, requiring peer reviews, and so on. We're going to make sure this assignment goes out to everyone. And now we're going to set our due dates. So we're going to make this due March 31st. And it's going to be available from today until March 31st at 11:59 p.m. And we are going to click on the Save and Publish button. Now that we have changed the settings for our assignment, we can check that it has shown up in the grades area. So click on the grades link. And from here, we can see our new assignment with the points listed in our grade book. Please stay tuned for the next video tutorial on how to create a rubric for the assignment.